guys, quick video today on the Kickass 200w folding solar panel. I picked this up not that long ago and haven't had a real chance to test it out, so I'll run through it today, see what it comprises of, and we can take a look at it together. Great little solar panel, ultra thin panels. There's 4 panels that fold out, and you can aim them anywhere you want according to where the sun is. They're shatterproof, weatherproof, comes with a PWM controller, which I'll show you in a minute. The beauty of it is you don't have to run that, you can bypass it. So if you do have a DC-DC charger in your car, you can plug the panel itself directly into the DC-DC charger. Or if you don't, if you're running a battery on its own, you can run it through the PWM controller that's waterproof, that's on the back of the panels, and it'll control the charge rate for your batteries. So let's get it out and have a look. So starting off, the panel itself comes in a really heavy duty canvas style bag, good zippers around and a pocket on the front to hold the bits and pieces. Comes with a 5 meter Anderson extension lead, which you run from your panel obviously to your car or whatever you're charging. A few bits and bobs, and also if you don't have the Anderson plug set up already, alligator clips can go directly to your battery with Anderson connection. Rightio, so getting it out of the bag, front folds down, and then there are your panels. 4 panels, as I said before, held together with, they've got magnets in the latches, so they tend to just click together and the magnets hold them together. Folding them out is literally as easy as that. I will show you the back of them. There's each panel has a folding leg that the unit can lay back on, so it's just a matter of folding those legs out. And then it's good to aim wherever you want to aim it, wherever the sun is. Okay, while we're here, I'll run you through the regulator that's attached to the panel. The absolute beauty of it being that it is not actually connected all the time. So if you do want to use your solar controller and connect it directly to, say, a battery on its own, just black Anderson on black Anderson, and then your output goes directly to your battery, and this takes care of the charge rates. If you're using a DC-DC charger in a car, you can run your extension lead from the panel, and then the other end goes to your DC-DC charger, and that becomes your solar control and controls the rate of charge. So it's brilliant in that you can use it a multitude of ways and it covers sort of everyone. Okay, so I've got the panel in the sun, extension leads connected to the controller on the panel. I've got a Kickass watt meter here. I'll bring it in a little bit closer and show you that, but it basically will give you an idea of amps in and out of your battery and the state of charge of your battery. So it's just a simple matter of connecting that on the source side, this side directly to battery, and we're charging. That's putting in 10 amps. I'll bring it in and show you.
Rightio, so I hope you can see that
top left hand sides, it's going up and down a little bit. It's between sort of 8 and 10 amps. Top right's your voltage of the battery. Battery's actually full, so it's probably cut back and it's not putting quite as much charge into the battery. So that's it. That's the Kickass 200 watt solar panel by Australian Direct. So you can jump on their website, have a look, and check it out and grab one for yourself. Good gear.